Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Wansview camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, then this video is going to show you the exact solutions that you can use in order to fix it properly. So first of all, you need to use only 2.4 GHz network. This is the number one reason why Wansview cameras fail to disconnect. Wansview cameras do not support the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. They only support 2.4 GHz. So if your router combines both the bands under one name, the camera may fail silently. So you need to basically go to your router settings. Then you need to separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Then you need to connect your phone to 2.4 GHz and then you can start the setup. Also keep the camera very close to the router during the setup. This particular single step is going to basically fix most of the connection related issues. Now most of the people fail at the QR code setup. So during the setup, make sure that you increase the brightness of your phone. Then simply hold the phone 3 to 8 inches from the camera lens. Wait for the scan successful confirmation. If the QR code scans fail even once, the connection process will not complete properly. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi password is entered correctly. Even a small mistake will cause the failure. Now, if your camera connects but fail at the final step, it means that your router is likely blocking it. So you can check some of the settings in your router. So first of all, simply enable the DHCP or automatic IP assignment. So now you need to basically disable the MAC filtering and you need to turn off the strict firewall temporarily. If the camera cannot get an IP address, it will not connect even if Wi-Fi is correct. So this is very common issue in the newer routers. So you can try these methods and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.